Everyone, welcome back to our channel again. In today's video, you are going to see how to stop random people from adding you on Snapchat. So to do that, let's head over to our Snapchat application first. Once you're there, just head over to your Bitmoji on the top left corner. And here you can turn off your quick add on Snapchat. And you can also go to the gear icon on the top right. From here, scroll down and go to contact me, and here as you can see they're saying who can contact you directly with snaps, chats, and etc. So it is already set to friends and contacts. So if you just set it to friends and people, then you will turn off the ability for contacts to reach me. So it is saying that your contacts will no longer be able to show up in your chat tab, and conversation with your contacts that might already appear in your feed can be cleared individually. So tap on OK, and it is set. And now people can't add you on Snapchat random. So yeah, this is how you can do it. Hope this video will help you out, and we'll see you in the next one.